Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the DISM error in 87. So for this you have to click on the start button, then you have to click on the services option from here, and here you have to wait couple of seconds, then you have to scroll down to the below, and you have to find here the Windows module installer. So we are going to find it out, and you have to scroll down to the below, and we are going to finding out the Windows module installer. And here you can see you have to click on it, double click on it, then you have to make sure that the startup type is to set to automatic, then you have to click on apply, then you have to click on OK. After that you have to click again on this, then you have to make sure that the service status is to running. So for this you have to click on the start option from here, then you have to click on apply, then you have to click on OK. After that, if you, when all of the thing is that done, then you have to simply close this window, then you have to go to the prompt panel, command prompt, then you have to simply look for that code again, and it will most likely to get fixed. And after that, if that don't get fixed, then what you can do is go to the start button, then you have to click on the restart option from here, and after that if you run that code, it will most likely to fix the 87 error in DSIM. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.